Here's a cute little playground that we're going to build.
These are the blocks we're going to use in this build. You don't have to use the same blocks, use any colour, any shape that you want, just be creative. Now let's get to it.
Here we have a yellow square base piece, and then another yellow square base piece. Let's place them together. Now let's get a yellow square block, and we're going to place it in the middle at the back to join the two base pieces together, just like that. And another yellow block on top. You don't have to use yellow, you can use any colour you want. This will be the support for our slide. Let's get the slide and join it onto the support. To create the entryway to the playground, we're going to use a blue tall block at the end and another tall blue block, and we're going to place it so there's two gaps in between. Now let's place this yellow arch on top. To create the overhang of the archway, let's use this yellow block with a curve on the bottom. And another one right next to it. And the final piece let's place on top. There we go, now we're finished. Now we can get our dog to come and play. Ruff, 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 ruff. I want to play. And look, this girl's going down the slide. Thanks for building with me today. That's it for this episode. Don't forget to subscribe.